All right, so today for wordplay, we're going to work with really big words, just like the one written up there. But we're mostly focused on the sounds. We're not going to have to read really big words. We're getting ready to read those really big words by playing with what they sound like. Okay, so the first thing we're going to work on is our syllables. Remember, you can count syllables by clapping, or you can count your chin drops. So let's use the word triangle, which is right up there on the screen, and let's count how many syllables it has. Go ahead and clap or chin drop. How many syllables does triangle have? Triangle. You saw my chin drop 3 times. So we have 3 syllables. All right, I'm going to match them up to these squares. We have try, we have ang, and then we have goal. So we're going to use these squares to represent the syllables we hear so we can play with them. Okay, it might help to get your own pennies or beans or Legos or little pieces you can slide, just like my blue squares, to help you keep track of the words because that helps them hold them in your memory. Okay, so now we know that we have 3 syllables: try, ang, goal. I want you to see what would it sound like if you said triangle, but you didn't say try. So let's take that off. We have angle, right? So angle. So triangle without try is angle. Let's try another one. All right, I stacked up all our letter cards because we're not actually reading these today. We're focusing on what they sound like. Let's try another one. Spectator. How many syllables do you hear in spectator? Spectator. 3. There's 3 syllables. Let's put them on our counters. Spectator. Now we're going to say spectator, but we're not going to say spec. If this is hard for you, you can kind of mouth or think this part quietly and then only say these parts out loud. Watch. Tater. So we have tater when we don't say spec. All right, we're going to move a little faster now that you know what we're doing. So think of how many syllables are in compensate. We have 3 syllables. Compensate. Now what happens if you say compensate without saying com? Pensate. We do have pensate. Remember, I mouthed or thought right here if it was tricky for me. All right, now we're going to say the word and match them to the counters at the same time. So say furniture. Furniture. Okay, now say furniture without saying fur. Niture. Good job. Let's try another one. Balcony. Balcony. Now say balcony without saying bow. Cunny. Cunny, right? You can say it just in your head or mouth it. Tambourine. Tambourine. Now say tambourine without saying tam. Barine. Good job. Our next word is porcupine. Porcupine. Now say porcupine without saying pour. Cupine. All right, next word is festival. Festival. Now say festival without saying fest. Tival. Next word, victory. Victory. Now say victory without saying vic. Tari. Last word, orchestra. Orchestra. Now say orchestra without saying or. Kestra. Awesome job. Go ahead and rate how we did today on our poll. Let me know if I'm going too fast or too slow for you.